They say that you're a brother and lover, but you say it isn't so. But if you put me down for another, I'll believe you, 'cause the night has 1,000 eyes, and 1,000 eyes can't help but see if you are true to me. So remember that you tell those little white lies that the night has 1,000 eyes. Hi there pluckers, Ivysaur Fingers again with a classic old song from Bobby Vee called The Night Has 1,000 Eyes. Okay, standard tuning, no capos. I think Bobby did this key in E flat, so I've done it in D because that suits my voice a bit better. Okay, if you want to play along with the record, just try putting a capo on the first fret and playing everything I'm about to show you with the capo on the first fret. And I think you'll be in tune, although I don't think his records that I've played against are exactly in pitch, but it's nearer E flat than D. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction, classic introduction, D, F, G, played on as an F chord on the 3rd fret, and A, again plays as an F shape on the 5th fret. So it's okay, got that? I'll play that really slowly for you. And you play that twice, and that's the intro. It's also the outro, and you can play it in between verses. Okay, the beauty of this song is once you've got the verse stroke chorus sorted, it just repeats everything again another 2 times with different words obviously. Okay, but it's exactly the same all the way through the song. Okay, so so that's the intro sorted, right? So D, F, G and A. Going to the verse, D. They say that you're a run around F sharp 7th. That's an F sharp major chord, bar chord 2nd fret with pinky off. Okay. Lover, B minor, very quickly after the F sharp 7th. Okay, so it's they say that you're a run around F sharp into the B minor. Okay. And then we go. They say is E minor, A7, it isn't, so D, and that's the intro once. Okay. Okay. The A7th is an A chord with a 3rd string open, 2nd on the 4th string and 2nd on the 2nd string. Okay. So from the beginning, let's do that right to the beginning. Okay, slowly. They say that you're around lover, or you say it isn't so. Okay, now we go into the next part of the verse, which is to start with the same D, but you're but if you put me down for F sharp 7th, B minor, but this time we go to an E 7th. I'll no believe me. What it does there, as far as my ears tell me, is it starts on an E 7th. I'll no believe me is an E major, so put that 3rd finger back. So E 7th is an E chord without the 3rd finger, open 4th string. So you start on that on I'll know, but when you get to believe me, put that 3rd finger back to make a full E chord, and then to an A 7th. So it's like E7, I'll know, E, believe me, I'll, A7th, no, stop, and then you stop. Okay, on the A7th. So let's get through that fast. Let's go from the beginning slowly. They say that you're a runner and lover. What do you say? It isn't so. But if you put me down for another, I'll know that you are. Okay, so that's the whole first part of the verse done. Now we're going to like the chorus, cause the B minor night has 1,000 eyes and 1,000 E minor eyes. A7 can't help but D, C, B minor. Okay, so let's just do that bit again. Cause the B minor night has 1,000 eyes and 1,000 E minor eyes. A7 can't help but D, C, back down to B minor. If E minor, you, A7th are true to D. Right, so let's go from right from the beginning of the chorus again to that point. Cause the B minor has 1,000 eyes and 1,000 E minor. A7 can't help but D down to B minor. If E minor, you, A7 are true to D, B. Now B7. Okay, so after that D, a B7. This is where it gets stabby. Okay, so remember if you tell those little white lies. Okay, so that's when you get to that bit after the B7. So remember is E minor. Remember when A, you tell those D, little white B minor, E minor, lies. A7 stop has 1,000 intro. And then off into another section exactly the same with different words, and you do repeat that a third time as well. So 3 lots of the same playing, 3 lots of different words. Okay, so and that's it basically. So we'll just go through it again. In the actual original version, I believe when he gets to the end of the verse, where I played the intro there, between verses he goes where it goes as 1,000 he does that, I think. So so if you want to do it as per the record, it's that when it gets to that 1,000, now it has 1,000 open A, 5th string, 2nd on the 5th, 4th on the 5th, and then you're into the next verse. But I personally prefer to play the intro again. It's up to you. Okay, so another 1,000 I much prefer to go there's 1,000 that's just my personal taste. Anyway, so you've got it all now, so let's just go through the whole thing in one hit. Okay, a little bit faster. It's quite a fast tune actually if you play along with the original. Okay, so here we go. They say that you're a runaround lover. You say it isn't true. But if you put me down for another, I'll believe it's true. 'Cause the night has 1,000 eyes and 1,000 eyes. Can't help but see if you are true to me. So remember when you tell those little white lies that the night has 1,000 eyes. Oh, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.